Since XTI will release its fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results on April 14th after market close, it's likely to stay bearish to neutral. Price has been flattening out over the $2 boundary, where features of a downward channel and early descending triangle have formed, though selling volume has remained relatively weak. As XTI continues to lean more heavily into drones after its Drone Nerds acquisition, overall market sentiment will likely be influenced by how well that integration goes. If it turns out XTI is diving into drones just fine, a break of the descent could open up another attempt at returning over the 240s. Whereas a decisive dive under $2 would only become more realistic if profiting from Drone Nerds takes longer than expected, along with daily selling volume closer to 4 million. It'd also be interesting to see if there's any news about the Trifan 600. Even though that aircraft's development has effectively stalled, the value of some of its technology could become a relevant catalyst in the future.